friends, welcome to be a part of Creative Wanderers. I hope you remember that in the last video, I said I'll be back with our next fundamental data type in this one. But then, hold on guys, we have missed something which is very important, and that is our built-in mathematical functions available in Python. And our int and float data types have got a lot of things to work upon them. And I know we haven't touched anything about functions yet, but then we have a whole big tutorials coming for that. And now let's explore what are these mathematical functions. Let's start off with a basic math function, and we have something known as Roundoff. And as soon as I wrote round, my REPL gave me this hint. Hey, you have to type some number over here. And let's say we have 4.1. And always remember to print this out. And then never forget this parenthesis. If I run this, I get it as 4. And if it was like 4.98 and run this again, it becomes 5. So this is the basic round function available in Python. We have some other math functions known as power, and that is POW. And we have to give some base and an exponent. And let's say we have 4, 2. And this means 4 raised to the power 2. And if I run this, yes, we got this as 16. So 4 raised to the power 2 is 16. And then we have something else, and that is apps. And for those who don't know what apps is, for those who are not interested in mathematics, apps gives always a positive result. That is, if it was like negative 45, it should give 45. Yes, we got this. So these are the basic math functions available in Python. These are just the basic ones that we frequently use while programming, but then there are a ton of them, guys. And if you want to know what all of them are, just type Python 3 mathematical functions in Google, and then a list of them arises and you can choose and learn them. And here it is. These are the basic mathematical functions available in Python. And there are so many, guys, and if you're gonna just by heart this, it would take a long time. And many of them we may not even use it in programming. We may never see it in programming. And never by heart things that I say this too often, because it's always seen in beginners that they just read whatever it is in a programming language just as a text and then starts learning the syntax and finally apply it to a code. They just start coding after that. But then what I recommend is that never by heart things, because all of the great programmers over there, they just start coding and they reaches a stage wherein you can write your own code. And at that time, just search whatever it is needed and learn the syntax and then just apply it in your code. And that's it, guys. Never ever by heart things. With said that, see you in the next video. Stay tuned.